All right, welcome. It is Christmas Day. I have new Christmas parts and a little bit of a surprise.
Howdy.
Alec is back from Okinawa. I don't even know if I can disclaim that. I can edit out later.
No, that's totally okay.
Okay, yeah, he's back from Okinawa.
It ain't hidden knowledge.
Yeah, but yeah, he's back for a little bit, and he said that he wanted to help with the truck a little bit, so that's what we're going to do. I have new headlights, if you couldn't tell from the little sneak peek that it gave you right there, to replace these, which are fogged to hell. I already have this one taken apart, but I mean, you can tell how fogged these things are. It is not good, and it looks worse off camera. But yep, I got the wreath mod on for Christmas time. And I even got a new front license plate from my mama. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So we are going to try to get these things in tonight and see how they look. Hopefully these LED bars here, these bad boys, whoop, whoop. Hopefully those look pretty damn good, and we can get a little bit of a more updated look on the truck. So I will catch you guys up once we have all of the headlight, running light, turn signals, all that off the truck. It is the next day, and I am back at putting these headlights in. And so far, I only have one kind of mocked up here, and I will show you guys kind of what it looks like right now. So this is what we got. We have the main headlight in. Whoo, that looks slick. And these wires right here are going to be spliced into the daytime running light, which is this right here, with some of these. And then once we get that spliced on in, and got some, what do you want to call it, electrical tape on there, we are going to, I'm going to, but you're going to come with me. I need to get orange LEDs for the turn signals because they need to be orange and I'm stupid. But anyway, and then I'm going to get another marker light here, which is a 194 bulb. And then, obviously, I reused my high and low beams. And then this is the second marker light that, on these old ones, as you can see, is just a blank spot, kind of. So, I'm going to get these spliced in, and I'm going to check to make sure that they all work. All of the LED bars and the LED sequence here works, and make sure everything fits right before I splice everything. And then we're going to run to the auto parts store and pick up a little bit of something. And by the way, well, for me, Merry Christmas. I just had Christmas. This is what these lights are from. But, yeah, I don't know when I'll get this uploaded. But anyway, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that type of stuff. Yeah. All right, I'm going to get back after this and see what I can get done. So, as you guys can see, I have the driver's side on. It's all hooked up. I have all the saran wrap or protective film, whatever you want to call it. I have all that off. I have the headlights adjusted so that they are flush instead of, this one was way on out. So I pulled it in with this set screw right there. And I also just got done with the passenger side. So, oh yeah, that's nice. Let's do this. Very nice. That is clean. Clean and mean, baby. Woo! That looks good. That looks good. Yeah. Okay, so by the way, as you guys know, these lights right here, which you can kind of see, those are turn signals and parking lights. These in here, which this one doesn't have a bulb right now because it broke, but whatever, I'm getting a new one. That is a running light. Low beam, high beam, and this used to be a blank spot here. So that's a running light. This is all running light. This is all running light. And that is the side marker, what needs to be amber side marker. But for this install, you take the running lights, and for the 99 Silverado, I don't know about any of the other ones, but for the 99 Silverado, you have a black wire and a blue wire for the running lights. The blue wire is the power wire. That's where it gets the power from. So you hook the white wires for the headlights into the blue wire for the running lights. Okay, I can't remember what I was saying, blue light is power. So you hook the blue wire is power. You hook the blue wire up to the white wires that come on the LED bars and the little LED array for that thing right there. You hook the blue to the white and then the black to the black. Simple as that. And you use these so you can put it in parallel and not series, just like the LED turn signals that I did a couple months ago. So yeah, it is pretty it's pretty simple. Sometimes it doesn't fit properly, but I mean, you just kind of gotta mess with it a little bit and then it will fit. These are actually pretty damn nice. We got them off Amazon, so it was some Amazon company, but Car ID has them, and a whole bunch of other places has these this like type of headlight. So I still have my daytime running light jumper wire, and this right here is what the jumper is. You just take the relay out and you jump 86 and 87, which are those two pins right there, as you can see from that, except for 86, 87, except for it's, you know, it's rotated like this and then put in like that. So, I will turn on the accessory for the truck and show you guys what the lights look like. You guys ready for this? Goddamn. Obviously, it looks a little bit weird with that one running light out, but I'll get that fixed. So. Hello, everybody. Don't mind my face. I biffed a tuck, ate some mat. It's whatever. Anyway, I am in the truck. It's pretty cold out, but not too bad in the truck right now. As you guys know, I can probably just... Wow. Okay. Well, you can't really tell. Probably, I don't even think they're on. No, they're not. But, so these lights that illuminate the speedometer, the tach, all of the fuel, oil, temp, all that type of stuff, all those are incandescent. Same thing with the climate control. So, what I'm going to try to do here is, I got a pack of these LED bulbs, and as you can see, yeah, I know, made in China, right? But they're red LEDs. So, I'm going to put these in, because they use the same connector as what's behind these with the incandescents. And there's my fuel gauge acting all weird. And I'm going to throw all those in, and I'm going to have a full red LED display on all of the gauge cluster, and hopefully I have enough to do the climate control stuff too, so that will be red as well. But I'm going to get after this. I have a night practice for cheer here in about 2 hours, so I'm going to try to get these done now, and then I can show you that after practice when the lights are actually on, because, you know, obviously they only illuminate when it's dark out. So I'm going to get after this, and once I got the actual cluster out of the dash, I will show you kind of how they go in and fit and all that type of stuff. Fit and finish, all the, you know, all that kind of stuff. So let me get after this, get this bezel piece off, and then get the gauge cluster out for you. Okay, so I'm doing the bulbs now. I have the cluster out. Here's one of the new ones here, as you can see. So they do go in pretty nice. Now, nice is not easy. Here is one of the old bulbs. As you can see, you have the little pigtails, right? You have the pigtails. Let's see if it's going to focus. No, it wants to focus on me. Well, that's not cool. Come on. Here, let's try to get it up against like my shirt or something. See if it will focus in. Oh, it wants to focus on the shirt. Okay, hang on. There we go. See, it's got the pigtails. And as you can kind of see where those jumps are. Sorry, my hands are shaky. This is a lot of very small work, and I've been trying real hard to get it. So I have 3 bulbs here that are intact. I've already broken 2 other bulbs. I have 5 LEDs in this. So, yeah. Woo! But anyway, so you got the socket, and then you got the bulb. Well, you have to stretch out the pigtails like you do on here, and then you have to bend them over these metal tabs, the one on each side there, one kind of by my pointer and then the one by my thumb there. And yeah, originally these bulbs had a little spot solder on there, and I got a bobby pin. I don't know where the bobby, it's right here. I got a bobby pin, and I've been using the bobby pin to pop the solders so I can put the new bulbs in. And I have checked. I put in one and tested it, turned on the headlights, and the gauge cluster lights turned on. Oh, wow, I just slurred my words. But they do work. So, yeah. I'm going to see if I can even do this one with you guys here so I can show you guys. I will try. So, right now, I am bending out the ears for the LED bulb. Put that down now. And then you grab this, and I take these pins out, right? So the way I've been doing it is I've been grabbing my bobby pin, and I have been putting the bobby pin into this little gap right here, which holds down this pin. And then the pin will slide out the top. Well, and both will do that. And then once you do that, since I can't do that one-handed, I actually need my other hand. Once you do that, you take it, and down here at the bottom, so if you can see those prongs, down here at the bottom of the prongs, you're going to take it and make a U shape, kind of mimicking the bottom of these, so that they will slide in, and almost, once you put these back in and push them down to the bottom, kind of almost make a cinch knot, like a slip knot that will tighten down as you push these down into position. And then at that point, you can just slap it back into the gauge cluster, and you're good to go. You only have 5 more to do. And, well, I started at 2, 3, I think maybe 2:30. And it's 3:53 right now. So, I mean, it's taken a little bit, but I think it's going to be worth it. I think it will look pretty nice. So, I'm going to keep going, get these done, try to do the climate control lights, and then head to cheer. So, there it is, guys. Got the full cluster and all red. I didn't have time to do the climate control, but that should be pretty easy. And I think I can maybe do this and maybe this as well, but I'm gonna have to look into it. But I think that looks pretty damn slick. So I looked it up, and sorry if there's wind noise. I have my heat blasting right now. But the whatever this is called, what am I trying to say here? This piece, climate control panel, that's what it's called. These take different bulbs, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, forget it. And these also take different bulbs as well, so I'm just gonna leave those like that. I mean, hey, it still looks pretty badass with just the red. And obviously I have my stereo set to red as well. And then I got my rock lights, which I can turn to red or any color that I want. So, yeah, I think the truck is looking pretty good right now. Headlights, interior lights, looking pretty good right now. I still want to decide on tow mirrors, but I haven't yet, so you know how it goes. Anyway, I am headed to cheer practice for the evening, and thought I'd update you guys and say thank you for watching the video. And if you learned something about really anything, you know, these small bulbs on the probably, I don't know, probably 99 to 07. After that, they probably changed it to some other style before they fully changed to LED. But anyway, yeah, hopefully you learned something about changing out the bulbs on your trucks. Gauge cluster lights, and if you enjoyed that and want to see some more stuff, you can go on ahead and check out the channel. And if you want to see what's to come for the truck, go on ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.